seemingly captivated by something invisible to human eyes. This behavior can be quite puzzling. This peculiar behavior, often accompanied by chirping or chattering sounds, might seem like your cat is losing their mind, but fear not. There's usually a logical explanation behind it. Experts believe cats are actually responding to high-frequency sounds, undetectable to our ears, made by insects or rodents hiding within the walls. This heightened sense of hearing is a remnant of their wild ancestry. Another common yet perplexing behavior is the infamous zoomies.